Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix duplicate images on your Shopify store. So the most common cause of duplicate images is uploading the same image multiple times. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to products and click on a product with duplicate images. So click on any of these products and check if any duplicate images are available. Then simply choose that specific image and click on remove, and that would instantly fix your problem. So sometimes theme settings causes images to display multiple times. Let's check your theme. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to theme. Now click customize button after your theme and navigate to the product page section. So we'll navigate to our product page section. And here we'll have to look for an option like show additional images and disable it if necessary. Now, step 3 is checking product variants. So, duplicate images can appear if a product has multiple variants with the same image. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to products and click on a product with variants. Now, check if each variant has a duplicate image. Then simply remove any duplicate image and keep one version per image. Now, if the issue persists, it might be caused by theme code. You'll have to search for it and edit the code to solve this problem. Now, some image optimization or SEO apps can unintentionally duplicate images. In order to fix them, simply navigate to settings on your Shopify admin, then navigate to apps and sales channels and temporarily disable any third-party apps you would have installed and see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is fixed, then the problem was with your app, not with Shopify. You can clear your browser cache and try viewing your store in incognito mode. Click on three-dot icon at the top right, click on settings. Now click on privacy search and services, scroll down and click on choose what to clear. Then click on clear now after selecting cookies and other site data, and that would also fix your problem. Now, you have successfully removed the duplicate images from your Shopify store. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.